big announcement for The Outsiders. We had an invite to come meet the cast and crew today. We're so excited about this. Everybody is raving about this musical, and Tulsa gets to be the first leg of the tour. How exciting is that? And what a privilege for Tulsa for The Outsiders. You gotta come check it out. This room was filled with people, like standing room only for the announcement. I can't wait to see it. Personally, I have not seen it yet, but I'm really, really excited about this because I think it's going to be absolutely fabulous. I mean, the Tony Award winning Best Musical put Tulsa back on the map. Check out this really cool horse light. Like, this is a full-size horse. I have a horse, y'all. His name is Duke. He's actually a little bit taller than this, but it's actually really cool. And there's two of them in here. We're about to go out and meet some of the cast and crew, and we have to find out if we're going to be a greaser or a what? We're going to be greasers, I guess, because we don't know what the other is.
It's going to be a greaser.
Yeah. I'm about to be introduced to the crew right here of The Outsiders. Exclusive event right here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. So excited about this. Let's meet them. Welcome to Tulsa! 3, 2, 1. So excited for you guys to be here. Thank you so much for coming. This is going to be awesome, and you guys are going to kill it. Break your legs, all of you, okay? All of it.
Welcome to Tulsa.